Hi everyone and welcome back again to this YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be sharing with you some proven techniques that you can actually make use of to drive in traffic to your affiliate link. So whether you're actually new to affiliate marketing or you've been doing affiliate marketing for a while, there are certain challenges that you get to face when you are trying to drive traffic to your affiliate link. But then you don't need to worry, because in this video today, I'm going to show you some basic techniques that you can actually make use of to drive in traffic to your affiliate links. So let us get started. So the very first technique that we're going to be talking about in this video today is the use of social media. The use of social media is actually a great way to promote your affiliate links and then drive traffic to your site. One of the best things about social media is the fact that it's actually free, and that there are a whole lot of best things on the social media platform and so many other platforms that you may be aware of. So I would advise that you actually create a very good presence on some of these platforms, picking one of them which you are actually most familiar with, and then you start promoting your affiliate links to the audience that you must have gathered on this platform. One of the best ways you can actually make use of to promote your affiliate links on social media is to create engaging content. You can choose to promote product reviews, tutorials, or other form of content that are related to your niche in particular. Make sure you get to include your affiliate links within the content that you are creating or in the comment section of the content that you are creating. You can also make use of hashtags in order for you to increase the visibility on your post. The second technique that we're going to be talking about in this video today is called blogging. Now, blogging in itself is a great way for you to promote your affiliate links and then drive a whole lot of traffic to your site. By creating high quality content that's kind of related to your niche, you get to attract a whole lot of visitors to your site. Now, when you are blogging, make sure that you include your affiliate links within the blog post that you are writing. You can decide to create product reviews, or you do best of whatever it is that you get to promote, and then include your affiliate links within the post that you're actually creating. In addition to that, make sure that you get to promote your blog post in your social media so that you can actually use these same platforms to get a whole lot of visibility. The third technique that you can actually make use of to promote your affiliate links is to make use of email marketing. The use of email marketing is actually a great way to promoting your links to a target audience. You can build an email list and then offer a free resource or an incentive to actually collect the email addresses of your audience. Once you have the list of your email, you can start creating content and then promoting your affiliate links through what is known as email marketing campaign. Make sure to provide valuable resources in your email list by providing things such as helpful tips, resources, or exclusive offers. You don't want to come across as being too salesy, or this can actually turn a whole lot of people off. The fourth technique that you can actually make use of to promote your affiliate links is the use of paid advertising. The use of paid advertising can actually be a great way to driving traffic to your site and then promoting your affiliate links. Platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads actually avail you the opportunity to actually target your audience with the product that you actually try to promote. Bearing that in mind, it is good that you create compelling ad copy and then include your affiliate links in the ads. In addition to that, make sure that you track your performance and then try to make adjustments in such a way that your ads become better at targeting your audience as intended. Now listen, these are some of the proven techniques that you can actually make use of to drive in traffic to your affiliate links. Remember that the key to affiliate marketing is to actually be patient and then remain consistent. Just keep promoting your affiliate links and then creating valuable resources, and then you get to see a whole lot of results. If you found this video helpful, then give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can only get more tips and strategies on how to do affiliate marketing and a whole lot more. And speaking of tips and tutorials, don't forget to check out our next video where we'll be talking about some advanced strategies, tips and tricks for affiliate marketing, and I'll see you in the very next one.